mother or father of your child has just come up to you and said that if you don't give them what they want, whether it be financial or otherwise, they're going to go to court and they're going to seek sole custody of your child or your children, and you will not be able to see them. I've had this situation posed to me by so many panicked clients, and I want to debunk some of these child custody myths and things that are used as threats in contested cases. So let's start with the scenario I just talked about. Can a parent seek sole custody in Colorado? And the answer is yes, sure. They can seek sole custody. Whether they get it or not is a lot harder in a different scenario. Colorado recognizes that it is in the best interest of the child or the children to have both parents involved in their lives. So it's not quite so easy just to walk into court and say, I want sole custody and expect to get it. The court is going to apply what's called the best interest of the child factors, which we discuss in another video you can watch. However, one of those factors is the ability of the parent to promote a loving relationship and connection with the other parent. And walking into court, absent any safety concerns or obviously, concerns regarding the child and that parent, if you just walk in and say, this is what I want, that doesn't really help you in that factor. In fact, it shows that you probably cannot promote a healthy relationship. So sometimes that can really backfire. So I always tell clients, take a breath in a minute. It's not as easy as you think it is for them to do that. And the court will look at all these factors regarding both parents. Second myth is mothers get custody, or that it's easier for the mother to get custody. Maybe many, many years ago, there was definitely a preference or a bias towards mothers having full custody of their children. However, that's changed. Like I just said, courts recognize that it's important for both parents to be involved in their children's lives, not just the mother. And I've had plenty of cases where the father has sole custody of the children and is the primary parent. Third myth, the parent with more money or the parent with the greater financial stability is going to get custody of the child or has a better chance of getting custody of the child. That's not true. While financial stability is certainly important in terms of making sure you can support your child and their needs, it's not the primary factor. Just because you make more money does not mean that you are going to get primary or sole custody of the children. Again, the court is going to apply those best interests of the child factors. I hope this information was helpful to you. And if you have any other questions, check us out at preservefamilylaw.com and we'll be happy to talk to you about your case.